Okay, you guys, this is Williams-Reaves, and I'm back with another video. And today, you guys, y'all might think that my friend with me, but he not with me today because he has something to do. Okay, what we got doing today is we got a thing to do. You know what? I was just playing him, my friend right here.
They playing with me today. He testing me, y'all. He really testing me.
Oh yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to all my videos.
Why we doing a video?
Because we ain't finna go to the pond today, cause
It might storm. Well, it might rain.
yeah, I might rain today.
Yeah, we just take that's
So
get back to come. Alright, guys.
it's just a normal day today. Yeah, ain't nothing to do.
About to flip the camera around. How you flip the camera around?
Oh, that jump was a stick. Oh yeah. Oh
Hey
yeah.
guys.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I was supposed to give y'all an update of them birds. Okay, so them birds done got bigger. Their eyes are open. And they just looking like regular natural birds.
Pick one up. Pick one up.
Oh yeah, and I will pick one up if y'all want me to now. So,
Yeah.
So y'all just pray for me because I don't know where the mama bird at, but okay.
With the mama bird coming, I'm sorry guys, I have to drop y'all.
There you go. Look at little baby bird right here. Look at his eyes open. Yep. Let's put them back. Yep, you guys, so, you know, I just had to pick one up to show y'all. So, if y'all might be thinking we supposed to be doing a part,
Behind you.
a bat, it's a bird.
That's a bag.
That,
It got two tails in it. But
that's a bird, bro.
that's it. Look.
Them a bird.
Look, you see that? Yeah, when it open, look. Yes.
That's not a bag.
Bro, look at his bag.
Bro, that's a, look up close now. I'll show you it's a bird. You want me to show you it's a bird? Because that thing got the nest. It got the nest. Come over here.